Hello friends, today I am unboxing the brand new VEGA Crux motorbike helmet. I purchased it from Flipkart. You also can purchase it from Amazon, Flipkart or any other websites. Links are in the description box. Nice packing from Flipkart, as you can see. I am quite struggling to unbox it. As you can see, inside the main helmet box, there we go. The main box, some wrapping, Top Gear logo, wow, very nice, with a bag, the brand new helmet. The build quality is very decent. The visor, the air intake vents, air out vents, and it also has the flip up option, so the helmet become open faced. And again full faced. So thank you guys, hit like and subscribe to my channel.